Real Debrid, and TorBox, which is the best streaming and download service. So let's compare between these two. All of these are tools that make it easier to stream or download media, but they focus on slightly different things. Let's start with Real Debrid. This is a multi-hoster service that works with streaming apps like Kodi, Stremio, and others. Its main job is to give you premium quality links from dozens of file hosts. With Real Debrid, you usually get faster speeds, less buffering, and higher quality streams, like Full HD or even 4K. It is lightweight, affordable, and simple to set up. You just link it with your app and you're done. The downside is that it does not store your files. It only unlocks links when you want to watch something, so it's not a professional storage solution. The next one to talk about is TorBox. This one is a cloud torrenting service, which means it downloads torrent or magnet links to its servers first and then lets you stream or download them directly. The big advantage is that you do not have to torrent files on your device, which keeps your internet speed free and adds privacy. TorBox also lets you stream directly in your browser once a file is ready or download it at high speeds. Unlike Real Debrid, it also acts like personal cloud storage since your files stay in your account for a while. The downside is that setup is a bit more technical and storage space depends on the plan you choose. So which one is the best? It depends on your needs. If you just want smooth streaming inside your favorite apps and with less buffering, Real Debrid is the easiest and most reliable choice. But if you prefer downloading torrent to the cloud and want more storage or need the option to stream directly from a web player, then TorBox is the best pick. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.